This video shows how to replace the system side cover on a PowerEdge T350. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all of the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To remove the system side cover, remove the 3 screws in the rear side of the chassis and slide the system side cover towards the rear of the system. To replace the system side cover, align and insert the system side cover with the slots on the system and slide the side cover towards the front of the system until firmly seated. Then tighten the 3 screws to secure the system side cover. You have replaced the side cover on a PowerEdge T350. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.